Hello? Hello?
Hey!
It says no hobos.
This is double pane?
Go for it.
Yo, what?
Oh, it is.
It's double?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Be careful. There's the board.
Smells like Bando. So now we're gonna do. Careful. What up, fireplace? Dude, what is this? What the fuck? It's like a. I don't even know what I'm.
Bar.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there's sinks and shit. Yeah, it's a bar. Cool.
Dude, this is untouched as fuck.
This is crazy. Kitchen? Oh, this is like, there would be like tables in here. This is like a restaurant.
Yeah. This thing was a winery, supposedly.
Yeah, because there's like a kitchen in here.
There's a fire extinguisher.
Oh, of course. And it hasn't gone off yet? What?
Nah, dude. I don't think so.
That's how you know it's untouched.
What's in here?
What an open door. Okay.
Dude, there's still a fucking toilet cleaner in there.
Oh, there's still a shitter.
There's
No way.
still toilet paper. Dude, actually take a dump? Bro, I really could take a dump. Wait.
Do I actually? What? No. Would already gone off because it's motion.
Fuck, I gotta take a shit so bad.
Good shit. You could lay one down. That's so fun. Oh, is it
I can shit in the urinal.
Oh, did we check this? What's this? Oh, it's a woman's restroom. What is this? What the fuck?
Yo.
What the?
Storage?
Oh yeah, look, it's like bar, bunch of bar shit.
Fuck it, yo, the plates.
There's a lot of fucking plates in here.
Dude, the plates go crazy.
Such a weird room.
The untouched plates.
Oh, there's a toaster. Oh. Okay. Shit. Interesting. There's a cut lock and oyster toaster thing. I don't fucking know.
What do I? Oh, that just folds up.
Yeah, there's nothing. Put the shit back on. 20. This is abandoned in 2011.
Please be guns. What is that?
What?
I don't know what that is.
Clay
Yeah.
for some reason.
This is.
Shooting range.
Yo, look at this.
Oh, it's metal. Wait, no, it's not.
I kind of want to take that.
That's sick. Oh, it's just. Oh wow. Okay.
Look. Stop unplugging fan. It's for your own health. Mom. No, Mont. What, Mont?
Mont.
U.S. Army official
Top
50-foot
100.
small bore rifle target.
Wow. Oh wow. There's a lot in here, dude.
Is this it? Oh shit.
No, it keeps going.
Dude, this is fucking untouched as fuck.
I know.
There's no tags. No nothing.
No anything. This is crazy.
2009. It smells like 2009.
I know.
We got
Oh,
Christmas. I thought it was gun.
I know. Christmas decorations. Check that off the list. What if you want free wrapping paper from 2009?
I'm fucking chilling. Are we thinking
Statistical office.
Huh.
Interesting.
Oh. Look, United States Olympic Training Center.
Wow, okay. Stretches, that's good. Pre-match, interesting. This isn't outside, is it? Right here? What? Yeah, it is. No way the building's that short. Yeah, it is. What? Huh. Oh, it goes this way though. Oh, okay.
You go look.
What?
AR-10, A-17.
Oh, wow.
Let's keep going. Really?
What?
Look.
No, it doesn't have power.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Of course. Creakiest floor ever.
That's it.
Yeah. Wow, okay.
That's fucking creepy.
Oh. Not quite what they expected. Someone thought they were funny.
Like all these windows are intact.
Yeah, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's outside. Yeah. Yeah, it's boarded.
Is it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Open door but boarded.
It's kind of crazy.
More targets.
Yeah. Oh, damn. But he was a
You
sharpshooter.
hit this.
Mike B.O.H.
10-16.
Can you beat this? No, you fucking can't. Oh, we got more under. Let's see. Oh, blank.
I can only take the blank.
Hey, but
one.
no, but he. Wait, is that even? No. Damn, he just fucking shredded this. Let's see what's over here. Damn. Dude, you fucking chipping the paint. Oh my god, dude. Oh fuck, okay. Time to go. Time to go.